Welcome to the Desktop AR Assembly Guide. Let me guide you to mount your computer easily. Start when you're ready. To mount your computer, you will need the following parts: a cooler fan, a solid-state drive, 2 RAM sticks, and lastly, a GPU. We will connect all these parts to the motherboard. Let's overview their location. These parts should be located on the left side, next to the computer. Now, let's check our tools. We will need a Phillips screwdriver and a precision screwdriver. We will work with 4 types of screws. We will need 4 fan screws, 1 SSD screw, and 2 GPU screws. And we will also come across the 4 case screws. Those should be on the left side in the blue box. This is our final setting. Now let's get started. First, let's open the case. Rotate the 4 case screws counterclockwise with your hand or the Phillips screwdriver. Then leave the screws in the right space on the blue box. Now remove the cover and leave it close to the computer. We will now mount the fan. Take the fan with your left hand. You will see a cable coming out from the fan. Locate the pin at the end of the cable. Use your right hand to connect the pin to the motherboard. The pin has a slight indentation that should be on the right side. Only the 3 lower connectors should fit into the pin. Bring 1 fan screw with your right hand. Holding the screwdriver in your left hand, ready the screw by putting it on the point of the screwdriver. Then hold the fan with your right hand, leaving the purple dot on the left side. Keep the fan in close contact with the inner wall of the PC case. Then insert the first screw in its place and tighten it with the Phillips screwdriver. Repeat the process for the other screws following the on-screen order. Take the SSD card and insert it into the SSD slot. Now, get the SSD screw and prepare it with a precision screwdriver. Then, tighten the SSD by putting the screw in the indicated position. Press to open the 2nd and 4th RAM card slot lockers. Bring the RAM cards and insert them in the slots in any order. The black boxes should be on the left side for both RAM cards. Press down on both ends of the RAM cards until you hear a click. Take the GPU and put it inside the case at an angle. Then insert the GPU into the GPU slot. Use the GPU screws and the Phillips screwdriver to tighten the GPU. Align the 6-pin and the 2-pin connectors of the GPU cable horizontally. Then, keeping them leveled, insert them into the GPU cable slot. Bring back the cover and put it in its place. Then, close the case using the case screws in your hand or the Phillips screwdriver. Congratulations! You have now learned how to assemble your desktop gaming computer. If you want to repeat the same training, go to the start. You can also use the back button to go to a specific step. If you feel you are ready, you can test your knowledge. Please select the fan screw among the following options. Please select the blue box that indicates the RAM slots. Thank you so much for participating. Equip your workforce with knowledge. Visit VIRNECT.io. Equip your workforce with knowledge. VIRNECT.